Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, my name is Ivan. I am a student software engineer, also United States Marine. So I'm making this video just as a little helpful guide to maybe the also student engineers still learning as much as everyone else. There's a couple of tricks that I learned that are pretty cool and that I didn't know about until like 6 months into my actual learning process. Like I said, I am a student, so bear with me. I love coding, very confident with my knowledge, very confident with my information, and if this is general information that I'm just the last one, then hey, that's fine by me. But there's probably not one me out there that hasn't learned this while they're learning coding. I'm just gonna share my information, my little tricks, and maybe you can help one person out there. So what I'm about to show you guys real quick is a little trick that Visual Studios has for HTML files. As you can see all these elements, which I'm not gonna go into too much depth. For example, you need to make a title element with the class main title, and you put text inside it. Real simple is some people would just put alright, cool, title, class name and all that, which is cool and all that, but at least for me, you need to be quicker keeping up with these classes because they go fast and they're experts at teaching you, so you gotta code along, you gotta go faster. So a cool trick that I found was actually you make a title element, you just put the name of the element that you want to put, and then in order to make a class, you put a dot, and if you want to make an ID, you put a hash. So, like I said, title with the class name main title, boom. Now you have a title element with the class name main title, which is pretty cool. Then you put your text and all that kind of stuff. So let me show you how that works with IDs. So now you want to make a title element with an ID of main ID. Now you have main ID name of main ID. Pretty cool. If you have a div element, you can avoid even putting div constantly because it's the default name for them. So automatically any class that you put with just dot class will automatically make it into a div element, which is awesome. You put the names if you want a different type of element. Unfortunately, you can't do that with IDs, but just basically just put div hash ID. Now you have a div element with ID name. So yeah, you can also mix them together. So if you want to do title element with a class of main and then an ID second, now you have a title element with a class name of main and an ID name of second. This helps me a lot when I'm writing a lot of docs and all that kind of stuff. So they're my class, I can keep up with the instructor easier. That's it for today. I'm gonna make more videos like this. So if you like this kind of like small kind of knowledge, then just follow if you want, and hey, have a good one.